A headlight relay controls the distribution of power in a car's headlight circuit, acting as a kind of switching device. Closed headlight relay sends fused power downstream to the headlights. Open relay stops power from flowing across the circuit, which prevents power from getting to the front headlights and renders illumination impossible. Relays have the important benefit of eliminating the headlight switch's load potential, which is one of the main benefits of using them in a car's headlight circuit. Because the switch is only left to control the control wiring to the coil side of the relay itself, this prevents premature headlight switch failure. Conversely, a relay also functions as a useful kind of circuit protection. One common cause of headlights that mysteriously stop working is a malfunctioning relay. In this short video, you will find out the telltale signs of a malfunctioning headlight relay, typical causes, and replacement costs. It's Max the Car Guy. Subscribe and let's get started. No low or high beams. The absence of high or low beam lights is the most typical sign of a malfunctioning headlight relay. On the other hand, the opposite headlight setting will frequently work perfectly. This is because the majority of cars have a different relay for every type of light. Headlights stay on. A malfunctioning headlight relay can actually stick in the closed position, which means that a car's headlights will always be on, either in high beam or low beam. This is a less common problem. Intermittently functioning headlights. It is common for a single headlight setting to stop working one day and work perfectly the next when a headlight relay first starts to fail. But, in most situations, these problems will only get worse over time, eventually leading to the loss of the headlight function. Erratic pop-up headlight operation. Many modern cars still have covered headlights, which retract their lids when the headlights are on. However, these headlights are becoming progressively less common. Although the 2004 Corvette may have been the last car with hidden headlights, the Mitsubishi Eclipse, BMW 8 Series, Mazda RX-7, and Nissan 300ZX were also equipped with this technology. Since this light and lens combo frequently uses a single relay, when a headlight relay begins to fail, the function of the headlight cover may become erratic. Causes. There are several reasons why headlight relays fail, but normal wear and tear is frequently the cause. Relays frequently create and break circuit continuity, much like switches do, which makes their internal contacts somewhat prone to arcing. This arcing tends to erode contacts over time, leaving a flux-like material behind that may obstruct normal operation. As a relay ages, its internal coil component may also weaken or break. Water seeping into a car's power distribution panel is another frequent reason for headlight relay failure. This moisture can cause individual relay pins to corrode or short a relay out across its poles. Long stretches of low voltage operation within the headlight circuit, such as those brought on by a battery that is gradually failing, can also result in headlight relay failure. Replacement cost. Even drivers with the least mechanical background can easily replace a vehicle's headlight relay. Therefore, there's not much justification for having this kind of problem fixed by a professional. Naturally, this is good news because it reduces labor costs that would otherwise be incurred for any other kind of non-DIY repair. Replacing a headlight relay is generally a reasonably priced repair because they can be bought for less than $25 at almost any local or online auto parts store. Furthermore, headlight relays are widely accessible, being stocked at the majority of chain-style auto parts stores, and can be found for practically any make and model of vehicle. Hope the information was helpful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.